now in this method we are going to discuss how to find square root by division method. So it is very interesting method. You can find what you call easy than the factorization method. This method is very pretty much easier than the factorization method. So the only thing you need to know is how to solve divisions. How to solve division, that is very easy. So no need to panic. Okay, let me start the problem. 2304. Now consider it as dividend. Okay, consider it as dividend. 2304. Now always remember one thing. Whenever we are finding square root in any method, from the right side, separate two digits. Then what is left here? 23. For that you have to find nearest square. What is 1 square? 1. 2 square? 4. 3 square? 9. 4 square? 16. Okay, so 5 square is 25, which is exceeding. So that's why I am not taking 5. So let me take 4. 4 4s are 16, and the remainder is 704. Now understood clearly? Let me explain the first step very clearly. Whatever may be the number in this method, whenever we are finding square root, always separate two digits from right, and for the remaining part you have to find the nearest square. So that thing you have to do by division. So for 4 16 na? So the remainder is 7, and the remaining two numbers you take as it is 704. Now the second step is, here the number is 4 na? We have to double it. That means we have to multiply with 2. So the answer will be 8. And we have to put here number. What number we have to put? Whatever number we have to put, we should multiply with the same number, and the answer should become 704. Let me explain you. The number here should multiply itself with the whole number, and the answer should come 704. Okay, let us check. 82 into 2. See here, I am putting 2 here. That means I have to multiply with 2 itself. 2 2s are 4, 2 8 are 16. Am I getting 7 or 4? No. So let me go for 4 4 is 16. Here itself I am not getting. I should get a unit digit as 4. So considering 4, it is waste. Okay, let me check 8. 6 is 36 na? You will get 6, but you are getting 4. Let me check for 8. 8. See here, I am putting 8 here, so I should multiply with 8 itself. 8 8s are 64. Again 8 8s are 64 plus 6 70. Yes, I am getting 704. So I should make it as here 8, and here also 8. So the answer is 704. See, whatever number we have to put here, we need to put here. Okay, the answer is 0. Okay, therefore the square root of 2304 is 48. The square root of 2304 is 48. The answer is 48. Okay, so as a whole, let me explain you once again, since it involves lot of operations. Yeah, see here. See, first the number is 2304. Here we are finding out square root. I told you many times, whenever we are finding out square root, we should separate two numbers from right, two digits from right. So then the remaining part is 23. Then the remaining part on the left is 23. For that number, you should find nearest square number. See, the nearest square to 23 is 16. 4 4 is 16, and 5 square will become 25. It is exceeding. No, we should only consider nearest, and it should be less than that given number. So 4 4 is 16 na? So I am taking 16. What is remainder? 23 minus 16 is 7. And the remaining two numbers we should take as it is down. Okay, we should take as it is down. It will become 704. It will become 704. Now we have to double this number. You have to double this number. What is 4 into 2? 8. And you have to put here. You have to put here. And in this blank, we should put such a number such that the whole number multiplied by this number should give you 704. Should give you 704. Okay. So this way you will get the answer. Okay. Let me explain you one more problem so that you will get more clarification. Yeah. 1024. I told you already, for finding square root you need to separate 2 digits from right. Then what is left here? 10. What is left here? 10. Now yeah, you should check nearest square to 10. What is 1 square 1? This 2 square 4, 3 square is 9. So 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1, and you should put these two numbers as it is. Okay, it will become 124. It will become 124. And the next step is we have to double this number. What is double of mean? 3 2s are doubling means multiplying with 2. So 3 2s are 6, and we have to put such a number here. That means whatever number we will put here, we should get. Whenever we multiply that number with the whole number, we should get 124. Let me take 2. Let me take 2. That means here I am putting 2. That means I should multiply with 2 itself. Here I am putting 2. So whenever I am putting 2 here, I should multiply with the same number here, same digit here. Okay. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. That's it. I am getting the answer. So I am getting 124. I am getting 124. That means here I have to put 2, and here itself I have to put 2. But the answer is this thing, not this thing. The answer is this thing. So the square root of 1024 is 32. Square root of 1024 is 32. Okay. Let us go for one more number. 2116. 2116. And the same rule applicable here. So separate 2 digits, and the remaining part is left. 21 is here, and we have to find nearest square to 21. So what is nearest square to 21? It is 4 square, na? So 4 4 jar. So 4 4 jar 16, and the remainder is 5, and we have to put 16 as it is, and we have to double the 4. We have to double 4. It will become 8. And now here we have to check carefully. Whichever number we have to put, whichever number we will put here, we have to multiply with the same digit. Whichever digit we have to put here, we have to multiply with the same digit. Now since it is 6 here, I will take 4 and 4. 4 and 4. Okay. So I am putting here 4, and also I am multiplying with the same number 4. Since I am putting 4 here, I should multiply with the same digit 4. So what is 4 4 are 16. 4 8 are 32. 32 plus 1 33. No, I am not getting 5 and 6. Let me check for 6. Here I am putting with 6. Here I am putting 6. So that I should multiply with 6 itself. 6 6 are 36. 6 8 are 48. 48 plus 3 51. That means here itself 6, and here itself 6. The answer is 5160. So the required square root is 46. The required square root is 46. Okay. So let us check for one more example. Let me give one more example, not only 784, so that it will be more clarified even for other digits also. See, whatever we find out here, whatever the questions we have find out here, these are all 4-digit numbers, right? So now we are moving for first time to a 3-digit number. See here, 784. Now I told you already, to find square root we should separate 2 digits from right. Okay, and the remaining part is 7. Now the remaining part is 7. Now what is the nearest square number to 7? It is 2 only. Since 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So you should consider only 2 square. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. And the remainder is 3 here. And you should write out 84 as it is. 384. And now we have to double this 2. It will become 4. That will become 4. And here whichever digit we have to put, we will put, and we should multiply with the same digit. That means let me check for 8. 48 into 8. So 8 8 are 64. 8 4 are 32. 32 plus 6 38. Okay. So here I'll put 8 and here also I'll put 8. The answer is 384. The answer is 384. So the nearest, the square root of 784 is 28. The square root of 24 is 784 is 28. I told you the answer is this, not this thing. Okay. The answer is this. That means the quotient is the answer here. Okay. Now here I am giving you a 5-digit number. Okay. Yes. As it is, as I told you earlier, so we need to separate 2 digits from right, and the remaining part, the leftover part, is 125. For 125, we need to check nearest square. We need to check nearest square. What is nearest square to 125? It is 11 square, na? 10 square is 100. 11 square is 121. 12 square is 144. No. So go for 11 square. So I am writing 11. 11s are 121, and the remainder is 4. And you put this digits as it is. Okay, 444. And now what you have to do? We have to double this 11. It will become 22. It will become 22. And here we have to put such a number, such that when we multiply with the same number, the answer should be 444. Let me check for 2. So 2, see here, I am putting 2 here and should multiply with the same 2 here. Whatever number you put here, you should multiply with the same number. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Okay. So the answer is 112. The answer is 112. That means the square root of 12544 is 112. Okay. In this way, we can find square root by division method. It is very important method, and in this method you will get answer quicker, easier than the earlier factorization method. Anyway, you should learn this method. Okay. Thank you.